Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'll be filling up donation bags number 5 and 6 today. I already have some things going here, a scratching post that Kitty does not like, and some things I pulled out of the kitchen from my last video. Just over here I have a laptop lap desk I'm going to get rid of, but first, remove the clutter on top. Whoops! Stay! Now over here on my coffee table, I have this little piggy that I can donate. So cute, but I've got to let him go. I'm going to remove everything from this little holder right here. And I find that the more holders and bins and storage containers I have, the more junk I stuff in them. So I'm just going to get rid of it. But not before I collect this pressed penny from the bottom. I find collecting pressed pennies from Disneyland is so fun, and it's one of the few things you could do that's under $1. I am now in my bedroom. On top of my drawers are more drawers. And like I said earlier, the more storage containers I have, the more I stuff things in. So I'll be getting rid of that pink container right there, along with this coin purse, this bear paw back scratcher, and a laundry card. I'm gonna need that, so I'm just gonna keep it. A controller to something, I'll figure it out later. And instructions to something, I'll figure that out later. This stylus is so cute. I like the way it looks, but it feels like you have to press down like a centimeter or something before it works, so it's going. Those are Mickey Mouse stickers, they're staying. Thumb device. Spray bottle. Figure those stuff out later. Ah, this I could get rid of. I've had this since high school and I have no more use for it. Not too bad. A handful of things to donate. Let's bring it to the pile I started earlier. Back in my bedroom on my bed, these are my husband's jeans that he set aside for donation, so that will be going into the pile. In my woman cave, I have this bookshelf with my decorations and craft supplies. I have to do some major decluttering here because there's so much stuff, but I've managed to clear out a couple cubes for you-know-who. There's still a long way to go, but baby steps. I'm here to get these socks over here. I got these from the 99-cents only store on clearance for 25 cents a pair, and because they were so cheap I went nuts and bought a bunch, even though I have a drawer bursting with socks. So I'm just gonna get rid of these. Off to the pile. At this point I was in a hurry to get the bags packed up, so I just went around the house to look for things to donate and threw them into the pile. If you watched my kitchen declutter, you'll recognize this cupcake holder. I'll be passing it on to my mom. And if she doesn't want it, she could just donate it. Along with that bin from the kitchen and this basket I just pulled from around the house. So that'll be donated, and these are also from the kitchen. They were in my purse. So there are too many little gadgets, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. This little bag to donate, and my lunch bag that has a stain that I'll try to remove before it goes. This bag I've had since high school also. I really like it, but the straps are very thin, and if I put too many things in there like a water bottle, it ends up hurting my shoulders, so I'm just gonna donate this. These are garment bags. I'll be donating those. Some sunglasses. A makeup pouch, and this purse from the kitchen. Like I said, I really love Evanescence, but I don't particularly like the feel of this purse, so I'm just gonna donate it. So let's pack these bags. As I was filling the bags, I remembered that there were these books I wanted to donate. As usual, I like to create a base so the bag stays neat. Here are donation bags 5 and 6. I hope you enjoyed decluttering with me today. If you would like to check out my kitchen decluttering video, I'll link it down below along with my playlist. Stay tuned for more decluttering fun because we're only at bag 6. There is way more donation bags to fill up. I just want to thank you so much for following me on my minimizing journey. Like and subscribe if you're looking forward to more decluttering fun. Bye guys!